Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset the IKEA Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering how do you actually factory reset your IKEA Symfonisk speaker here? Well, resetting it can actually solve a lot of issues. So first things first is while looking for a solution online, we actually came across with this article here on, or in this case from IKEA themselves. So in this case, according to them, you need to have your actual device here and you want to unplug the actual plug that you see at the back. And in this case, you want to do a few things like press and holding the actual button. So you could pause this video here if you want to read the full article. But in this case, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically do the steps that we saw. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to first get our device here. So usually at the back you have this cord here. So if you're not aware, you could actually remove that. So just give you an idea here. This is what the back is going to look like. So you want to remove this section here from your speaker. So once you've actually removed this section, make sure to still keep the actual plug or the actual cord plugged into the wall outlet, because you need to supply power into your speaker. But yeah, so in this case, what you need to do is once you've unplugged this, you want to go ahead and go back to your speaker here. You want to press and hold the play or pause button here. And while you are holding the play and pause button, you want to go ahead and plug your power cord again. So you will notice that it will start turning into white or start blinking white here. So press and hold, do not remove your hand from it until you see the orange or red light appear on the screen here. As you can see, there's a small light here. If it turns orange or red, you want to go ahead and remove your hand. So usually this gives you the idea that, hey, you are currently resetting your device here. So you just need to wait for like 5 to 10 seconds. But once 5 to 10 seconds is up, it should start turning green here. And once it actually turns green, it means that the resetting process has now been completed. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you reset or factory reset your speaker. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like, subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.